Our show. Today we're playing Pie Face Showdown. Shake it up.
You got spray now. That's precious. Wait, I got it.
Ooh, why is it so runny?
I don't know.
No.
Shake it up a bit more.
Let me see. Yeah, Dad, we're tearing up the kitchen.
I think we're supposed to put.
It's so runny.
I don't know about this, Kenzie.
Wait, I think it's.
No.
Is it broken?
Somebody was licking all in it. Kenzie, it doesn't matter. Well, technical difficulties. Are you ready, Kenzie? We're just going to have to take it like this.
Yes.
Get your hand off mine. Okay. The whipped cream's gone bad. Just come on. Look at this mess.
Get out the mess.
All right. Ready, set, go.
That's not even fair.
Why is it like this? Man,
Is it because it's not cold?
Oh my gosh.
Does it say shake well on it?
Oh my.
It was working earlier.
Kids have been messing with it too much.
It's all out. No, it's what in the world? Kizzy, did you break it?
No, I did. No, I did. I just used it for.
Now, you know I know how to use some whipped cream.
Yes.
What about me?
You've been better off spinning some Cool Whip up there.
And I was actually looking at it.
Whoa.
I'll bring it up to the top. There. It's better. Sorry, guys, for the wait.
Here's
We just have to pour the whole top off.
You have an explosion in here.
Eric,
Boom.
he commented and said this is a fail. He didn't say this is a fail. but
Really,
just
Eric?
fail.
Really?
We can just wait, Mama.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Now we're ready.
Okay, we're ready.
Wait. Ready, set, go.
Thanks for watching.
Wait, we're not ready.
Can y'all not get that can to work?
No, it's broken. Somebody broke the top.
Somebody kept eating Cool Whip. Whoa. Cut it.
She broke the top.
Ready.
That's all, folks.
Okay, one more time, y'all.
Oh.